sit together. Thank you, honey. I love you. Okay. Bye. This isn't a photo shoot. You're recording? You're retarded.
It's a video? Oh
what the heck?
Sit there for like 2 minutes. Like,
I know,
take a picture. I'm waiting for the sound.
You want to learn how to make a sandwich?
I was like sitting there like that, like just for like a whole minute.
You're so... Can you stop the recording, please? I want a 6-inch Italian urban cheese, and it's gonna be ham and cheese.
Why do you want a foot long? It's only like $1 more.
You just got my... Why would I want a foot long? No.
What kind of cheese?
American.
Do you have any other sandwiches?
No, ma'am.
And then
Korea.
if you would have gotten foot long, it would have been only $1.
I know, I should have.
And
What am I
you could
thinking?
have, like,
Saved it for later. What the heck? I can't change my mind.
What cheese?
Are you gonna have a
What cheese? What cheese would you like?
pepper jack?
Pepper
I'll
jack.
get a foot long on
Take that.
chicken breast, not toasted, please.
Would you stop?
No cheese.
This actually is telling me how long they're taking to make your sandwich. I'm serious. So, do we like fire them?
6-inch milk on one side.
You think anything else on that sandwich?
Double American.
That's a new kind of paper.
I know.
What's up with that?
Maybe that's only for 6-inch.
Pickles? Black olives?
Oh yeah. That's it.
And cucumbers.
No lettuce or tomato?
No bueno.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. That's it. You have a dork who's still holding a camera recording us thinking of stuff. I want the meal deal, dude. I'm gonna get some.
I'll
You gonna get
get
some what?
lettuce, spinach, onion, olive, cucumber.
Put it all. Just put it all in.
I get everything on it. You're a loser. Are you gonna get chips?
Yeah. Why?
Because you only get black olives, pickles, and cucumbers.
Chipotle sauce and salt.
Is there something wrong with that?
Yeah. Everything.
Sandwich.
Yes. Ham and cheese.
Cheese. You want to get chicken and drink?
Yes, please.
I'll be able to ring it in 1 second. It's going to do that real quick.
These ones or these ones?
Ooh, sour cream and cheddar.
Just looking at
Alright, so it's 5:41.
You could pay the same amount.
Oh, shush. Actually, I have
How much is it? Junior's driver's license? What does that mean?
You never seen that? And then when it's a regular one, it's this way.
So when do you get your regular one?
Pennsylvania?
Yes.
From Connecticut origin.
Oh, nice. I got family in both.
Yeah, yeah. Are you from Bucks County? Yeah.
I'm not from.
Hi.
Oh, girly.